My name is Adel Ali. I'm the Group Chief Executive for Air Arabia. Pleased to have you here today talking about sustainability at the 10th anniversary of Arab Aviation Summit, a topic that will take us all the way to deliver a promise of zero CO2 emission by 2050. That of course involves a lot of work by all parties in the industry, whether it's Air Arabia, airports, aircraft manufacturer, oil producer and engine manufacturers and governments across the world. And it's good that we're having it this year because UAE is going to host a COP28, which very much will be focusing on sustainability. So we think the conference today was fantastic, beneficial, right topics was discussed, and hopefully everything will go into the document that will be contributing to long-term sustainability of the industry. Thank you.